everybody. For today's crystal creation activity, you will need a mason jar, just something that's a wide mouth so your crystal can fit in and out easily. Anything glass that you can find that can handle the heat. Hot water, we're using an electric kettle. You can use this over the stove. String. The ribbon and food coloring are optional. This is for the end. This is to make your crystal colorful. You'll need a pipe cleaner, pencil, scissors, and then for measuring cups, you'll need a tablespoon and a cup. And then last, you'll need some borax.